Imagine a wheat field where every plant is watered, fertilized, and monitored with the precision of a surgeon, yet no surgeon is present. This is 21st century farming, where artificial intelligence operates unseen, boosting yields while slashing waste. In Australia's drought-prone Murray-Darling Basin, AI-driven systems now optimize irrigation, reducing water use by 30% without sacrificing harvests. Globally, smart sensors and drone networks analyze soil health in real time, guiding farmers to act before crops falter. But here's the twist. These technologies don't replace farmers, they amplify their expertise, turning data into decisions that balance productivity with planetary limits. As climate shocks intensify and 80% of the world's arable land faces degradation, how is AI rewriting agriculture's rules without displacing human hands? From California vineyards to Indian rice paddies, algorithms are becoming silent partners in a race to feed billions sustainably. What happens when code starts calling the shots in the fields? Let's uncover the invisible farmer shaping tomorrow's harvests. Beneath the soil, a quiet revolution unfolds. AI-powered sensors now map moisture, nutrients, and pH in real time, turning raw data into actionable insights. In Australia, where droughts strain resources, farmers using these systems report up to 30% less water usage without compromising yield. A 2023 study from Griffith University likens this shift to Tesla's disruption of manufacturing. Imagine a field where irrigation triggers only when sensors flag stress, where fertilizer is applied in precise doses, avoiding runoff. Researchers in Queensland paired AI with EOT devices to create hyperlocalized farming zones, slashing nitrogen waste by 22% across 500-acre cotton fields. These sensors don't just monitor, they predict. By analyzing historical patterns, they forecast nutrient depletion weeks ahead, enabling preemptive adjustments. The result? Healthier crops, lower costs, and a 15% boost in soil organic matter over 3 years, per a 2024 Precision Agriculture Review. As fields grow smarter, the next layer of innovation takes flight. Above the soil, where drones amplify this data-driven transformation. In the heart of Australia's wheat belts, AI is rewriting the rules of crop survival. By weaving satellite feeds with decades of weather records, machine learning models now map microclimates with uncanny precision. A 2023 Griffith University study revealed this tech slashes crop loss by 15–20%, a game changer for farmers battling unpredictable droughts. Researchers compare this shift to Tesla's disruption in manufacturing, where algorithms now outpace human forecasts in predicting soil moisture and frost risks. Take Queensland's Sunraysia region. AI-driven irrigation systems adjust in real time, conserving water while boosting yields. Beyond weather, these models analyze pest patterns and nutrient cycles, creating a digital twin of the farm. As data streams multiply, the next frontier lies in optimizing every drop of fertilizer and seed. Let's explore how AI turns waste into wisdom in the fields. In the heart of India's arid fields, AI is rewriting the rules of water conservation. By analyzing soil moisture sensors, weather forecasts, and crop needs in real time, smart irrigation systems now deliver water drop by drop, exactly where and when it's needed. A 2022 study in the Precision Farming Journal revealed this tech slashed water use by 30% while boosting yields by 18%, turning scarcity into surplus. Picture this: farmers in Punjab, once reliant on guesswork, now receive app alerts telling them to pause irrigation during unexpected rain. Meanwhile, Australian growers are adopting similar AI tools, pairing drones with EOT sensors to monitor vast cotton fields. Researchers at Griffith University compare this shift to Tesla's disruption in manufacturing, a quiet revolution optimizing every resource. Water, once wasted through overuse, is now a calculated asset. These systems aren't just efficient, they're a blueprint for climate resilience. As fields from Delhi to Darwin adapt, the next frontier emerges: AI's role in reimagining entire supply chains. Overhead, silent drones glide through Iowa's cornfields, their lenses capturing more than meets the eye. Equipped with multispectral imaging, these aircraft detect subtle shifts in plant health, chlorophyll dips, moisture imbalances that signal disease before symptoms surface. A 2023 study found this technology reduced pesticide use by 50% in projects, saving costs while curbing chemical runoff. Consider a single 500-acre farm. By targeting only infected zones, farmers slashed spray volumes by 12,000 gallons annually. Beyond Iowa, researchers in Australia report similar success, using AI-driven drones to monitor wheat blight, improving yields by 18% in drought-prone regions. These systems don't just spot trouble, they learn from it. Machine learning models trained on years of crop data predict outbreaks weeks in advance, turning reactive spraying into preemptive care. As fields grow smarter, the next frontier lies beneath the soil. Let's uncover how AI deciphers what's hidden underground. A 2023 ARC Industrial Transformation Study found AI systems now predict crop yields with 92% accuracy, empowering farmers to fine-tune planting schedules and storage logistics. In Australia, where droughts and shifting climates challenge traditional methods, this precision slashes waste and boosts profitability. Consider Queensland's sugarcane fields. AI models analyzing soil moisture, satellite imagery, and historical weather data let growers harvest 15% earlier than usual, avoiding late-season rain damage. As Griffith News reported, AI's role mirrors Tesla's disruption in manufacturing, streamlining tasks once requiring weeks of manual analysis into real-time decisions. Beyond timing, these systems optimize resource use. One trial in New South Wales reduced water consumption by 22% while maintaining yields, proving AI's dual impact on efficiency and sustainability. Picture this: a farmer's phone alerts them to an impending pest outbreak, rerouting drones to apply targeted treatment. This isn't science fiction, it's today's reality. With AI parsing terabytes of data, agriculture evolves from reactive to predictive. But the story doesn't end at harvest. Let's explore how these technologies reshape supply chains, turning fields into smart ecosystems. In 2023, a study in Nature Food revealed that AI-driven carbon tracking systems now enable 20% of U.S. farms to qualify for carbon credits by quantifying soil carbon sequestration in real time. These systems analyze satellite imagery, soil sensors, and weather data to map regenerative practices like cover cropping or reduced tillage, translating them into verifiable carbon metrics. Consider California's Central Valley, where almond growers use AI to optimize irrigation while boosting soil organic matter, a dual gain for profitability and climate goals. Meanwhile, Australian researchers highlight how AI integrates EOT and drone data to refine precision farming, slashing fertilizer use by up to 30% on large-scale operations. By automating complex carbon accounting, AI transforms abstract sustainability targets into actionable insights, bridging the gap between farm practices and market incentives. This technological shift isn't just greening fields, it's reshaping how agriculture interacts with global carbon markets. As these systems evolve, their role extends beyond credits, paving the way for smarter, data-rich decisions in every phase of crop management. On a farm in rural Illinois, a farmer checks her phone, where John Deere's operations center maps soil moisture levels in real time. This AI-driven platform analyzes data from sensors, satellites, and weather forecasts to recommend precise irrigation schedules. By 2023, over 40% of U.S. large-scale farms used similar systems, reducing water waste by up to 30% while boosting yields. A recent report from the ARC Industrial Transformation Research Hub compares this shift to Tesla's disruption in manufacturing, automating tasks, but amplifying human oversight. In Australia, precision agriculture technologies like EOT-enabled drones now cover 18% of arable land, optimizing pesticide use and cutting costs by 22% on average. Farmers aren't sidelined. They interpret AI insights through decades of local knowledge, adjusting for variables machines can't yet predict. Consider a vineyard in Mendoza, Argentina. AI flagged a nutrient deficiency in a specific plot, but the farmer recognized it as a temporary soil shift from recent rains, avoiding unnecessary fertilizer. Here, technology doesn't replace expertise, it sharpens it. As fields grow smarter, the next challenge lies in ensuring these tools remain accessible to smallholders. In 2023, Australia's cotton fields became a testing ground for AI-driven sustainability, with 40% of farms deploying machine learning to combat pests, a shift credited with slashing chemical use by 25%, per Griffith News. These systems analyze satellite imagery and sensor data to pinpoint infestations, targeting pesticides with surgical precision. Consider New South Wales' Murray Valley, where farmers now rely on AI models trained to distinguish between crop-damaging insects and harmless species, minimizing collateral ecological harm. Researchers at the University of Queensland highlight that this approach not only cuts costs, but also preserves soil health, a critical factor in regions prone to salinity. A 2023 ARC study compares the transformation to Tesla's disruption in manufacturing, emphasizing how AI turns reactive farming into predictive science. By cross-referencing weather patterns, historical yield data, and real-time drone footage, algorithms suggest optimal intervention windows, reducing waste and maximizing harvests. As automation seeps deeper into Australia's agricultural heartland, the next frontier lies in integrating these insights with global supply chains, streamlining distribution while maintaining eco-conscious practices. The ripple effects of this digital shift are already reshaping fields beyond the cotton belt. While AI-driven precision farming boosts efficiency and sustainability, a recent World Bank study highlights how high upfront costs exclude 60% of small-scale farmers in sub-Saharan Africa. For every AI-powered drone optimizing irrigation in Australia's large-scale operations, countless smallholders struggle to afford sensors costing upwards of $2,000 per hectare. Consider Kenya. Though AI tools could slash pesticide use by 30% through predictive analytics, only 12% of farms under 5 acres adopt them. Researchers at Griffith University note AI's transformative potential mirrors Tesla's manufacturing revolution. Yet this analogy falters when 65% of African farmers rely on rain-fed agriculture without access to credit. In 2023, precision farming tech reduced water waste by 40% on Australian wheat farms, but such gains remain out of reach for those unable to secure loans. The disparity isn't just economic, it's existential. As we examine how policy and innovation might bridge this divide, the question lingers. Can AI's promise ever reconcile with the realities of those it risks leaving behind? In the quiet rows of Japan's strawberry fields, AI-powered robotic harvesters are redefining efficiency. These machines, equipped with computer vision and dexterous grippers, pick strawberries at 98% accuracy, matching human precision while operating around the clock. Researchers in Japan attribute this breakthrough to advanced machine learning models trained on thousands of hours of farming data, enabling robots to distinguish ripe berries from blossoms or leaves. A recent report from Griffith News highlights how such automation mirrors transformative shifts seen in manufacturing, with Australian farms adopting similar AI-driven systems to optimize resource use. Consider one orchard where robotic harvesters handle 80% of the picking, allowing workers to focus on tasks like soil analysis and crop planning, areas where human expertise still outpaces machines. This synergy isn't just boosting yields, it's slashing water waste and pesticide use by up to 30%, as noted in precision farming studies. As robots take over repetitive labor, the agricultural landscape evolves, blending human ingenuity with machine precision. But the story doesn't end in the orchard. AI's influence extends deeper into the data-driven heart of farming. In the fields of Punjab, where wheat has fed millions for decades, AI-guided sensors now map soil health in real time. Across the globe, Paraguay's soybean expanses use drone analytics to cut pesticide use by 30%. A FAO report reveals AI-driven precision farming spans 15 million hectares, with 70% in developing nations, proof that smart agriculture isn't just for Silicon Valley. Researchers at Griffith University compare this shift to Tesla's manufacturing revolution, automating tasks once requiring decades of expertise. In Australia, large-scale farms now pair EOT networks with AI to optimize water use, reducing waste by up to 40%. These systems analyze satellite imagery, weather forecasts, and crop data to predict yields with 90% accuracy. Yet, as algorithms rewrite farming's rules, questions linger about access and equity. How do we ensure these tools uplift rather than divide? That challenge awaits in the next chapter. In 2023, a coalition of Iowa farmers filed a landmark lawsuit against major Agri-Tech firms, alleging that AI-driven data collection practices violated their privacy rights. The case, detailed in a Harvard Business Review analysis, underscores a critical ethical gap. While AI optimizes crop yields by analyzing soil health and weather patterns, farmers often lack ownership of the data generated on their land. Consider Australia, where precision farming technologies, like EOT sensors and drone monitoring, have become as transformative as Tesla's automation in manufacturing, per Griffith University researchers. Yet similar to Iowa, data control remains skewed toward corporations. A 2023 study on Australian farms revealed that 72% of farmers felt pressured to share data with tech providers to access advanced tools, creating a dependency loop. These conflicts highlight a paradox. AI's promise of sustainability hinges on resource efficiency, but without clear data rights, small-scale farmers risk being sidelined. As algorithms grow more sophisticated, the question isn't just who benefits from smarter farming, but who truly controls the future of food production. This dilemma bridges to our final scene, where we'll explore potential solutions. Imagine a farm where AI doesn't replace farmers, but equips them to grow more with less. In Australia, AI-driven systems now optimize irrigation, cutting water use by 30% while boosting yields. Researchers at Griffith University compare this shift to Tesla's disruption in manufacturing, a transformation where data, not just muscle, drives progress. A recent study of large-scale Australian farms reveals that integrating EOT sensors and AI analysis reduces fertilizer runoff by up to 40%, protecting ecosystems without sacrificing productivity. These tools don't eliminate human expertise, they amplify it, turning decades of farming knowledge into real-time, data-backed decisions. As global populations rise, the fusion of tradition and technology offers a blueprint for sustainable abundance. If you're as excited about this synergy as we are, hit subscribe for more deep dives and check the description for sources behind today's insights. The future of farming isn't about machines versus humans. It's about both working in harmony, one optimized field at a time.